Hello student. In previous classes we was on chapter 14 basic geometrical concept. In that class we have talked about line segment and its properties. Line segment and properties of line segment. Today we will talk about ray and properties of ray. So today we will talk about ray and properties of ray. So ray, the narrow beam of light emerging from a torch or the sun go on endlessly in one direction. This is the basic concept of ray. The narrow beam of light emerging from a torch or the sun go on endlessly in one direction. So here ray is this is a ray AB. Okay, this is the example of a ray, that is ray AB. That is a ray. Here you see that a ray has, that is its initial point. Okay, that is its initial point, and here that is extending in B direction. So a ray is a line that starts from a fixed point and extends indefinitely in the same direction. Ray is a line that starts from a fixed point and extends indefinitely in the same direction. It means it has a starting point. It has, and that point we can say that its end point or initial point. So that initial point is also say that end point. So that is initial point, and it's continuously moving in that direction B. In that direction B. So a ray is a line that starts from a fixed point and extends indefinitely in the same direction. So here is the example of a ray AB, and this arrow shows that this is continuously moving in the direction B. This arrow is showing that it is continuously moving in the direction of B. Okay. So sun, the rays coming from a sun or the torch. The ray coming from the sun or the ray coming from the torch. So that is the basic concept of ray. That is the basic concept of ray, that from a torch or from the sun goes on endlessly in one direction. So this is the basic concept of ray, and here is the definition. Okay, here is the definition of ray. That is the definition of ray. Okay, so that is the definition of ray, and now we will talk about how it is represented. How ray is represented. So here these all are the rays. Here is the ray AB, and here we are seeing that ray BA. Ray BA. Here another example of ray, that is ray BA. Here another example, that is ray CD. Okay, that ray is CD. And here another example, that is ray DE. So these all are the example of ray. Okay, so that ray is BA. In that we can see that that ray is extended and extend indefinitely in the same direction. So here BA, in that this ray is continuously moving in the direction of A. In this ray CD, that is moving in the direction of D continuously. It is continuously moving. Here DE, in that E, in the direction of E is continuously moving that ray. Means DE is continuously moving in the direction of E. So here, and how ray is represented. So it is represented as AB. Okay, ray is, we can, if we have to represent a ray AB, so we just write AB and we make a arrow on that. So here ray AB, it is if we have to represent a ray AB, so we represent as AB, we just write AB and make a bar on, make a arrow on it, make a arrow on it. So this is the representation of ray AB. And here suppose that we have to represent ray BA. So how we represent? Here we make a BA, we write BA and just make a arrow on it. Okay, so this is the representation of ray BA. And suppose you have to represent ray CD, so you just write CD and make a arrow on it. So here you have to represent ray DE. So here this is the representation of ray AB BA. So here you see that AB and BA. So are AB and ray BA are same? No. BA ray you notice that one thing in line segment, it was in line segment. In line segment, we are talking about line segment. In line segment, BA or AB is equal. That is the case of line segment. That was the case of line segment. Okay, that was the case of line segment. But in ray, in there, these two rays are not equal. Okay, this ray BA not equal AB, or we can say that ray AB not equal BA, not equal. Okay, that is not equal. Ray AB not equal ray BA, ray BA not equal ray AB. These two are different. These two rays are different. These two rays, because in this ray BA, this ray direction is in the A. It starts from its initial point, that is end point, known as end point. So this end point is this is starting its initial point. It starts from B and here it starts from A. So these two rays are different. In line segment we write it as a BA or AB. But in ray you notice that ray AB not equal BA. Ray AB not equal BA or ray BA not equal AB, because these two are different. In this you see that initial point B and it goes in the direction of A, but here the initial point is A. Here the initial point is A and it is moving in B direction. It is moving in B direction. Okay, it is moving in B direction. So here we can say that ray AB and ray BA not equal. Okay, and one thing you also, it cannot be drawn on a paper. It cannot be drawn on a paper. It cannot be drawn. It cannot be drawn on a paper. Okay. It can be represented. It can be represented. Okay, it can be represented in figure. Okay, in figure on a paper. On a paper. but it cannot be drawn on a paper. We can represent ray AB, BC, ray CD, ray EE, but we cannot draw it on a paper. We just represent it by the figure. Okay, we will able to represent only ray on figure, on paper by figure, but we cannot draw a ray AB on a paper, or any ray we cannot draw on a paper. Okay, we just represent it on a figure, on a paper by figure. Okay, so and notice a ray has only one end point. Okay, so this ray has only initial point, it has no end point. So that initial point, we can also say that it that has one end point. So that end point is its initial point. So a ray has one end point or initial point. Okay, okay, so notice that a ray has only one end point. A ray has only one end point. So that point is known as initial point. A ray has only one end point, and that point is known as initial point. So, and now we will talk about examples of ray. Examples of ray in daily life. Okay. So ray, example of ray is ray, sun ray. Okay, sun ray. Example, sun ray, projector ray, and laser light ray. Okay, laser ray. So these three are the examples of ray: sun ray, projector ray, and laser ray. Okay, sun ray, projector ray, and laser ray, these all are the examples of ray. Now we will talk about properties of ray. Now we will talk about properties of ray. A ray has only one end point. A ray has only one end point. A ray has no definite length. Okay, a ray has only one end point, that is initial point. Okay, that is called its initial point. That array has only one end point, that point is known as initial point. So here you see that ray has one end point, so that point is also known as initial point, and here ray AB, so that point is end point, and that point is called initial point. Okay, and array has no definite length. Array has no definite length. So array has no definite length or fixed length. Okay, array has no definite length or fixed length. Since a ray is endless in one direction, it cannot be drawn on a paper because it has endless is moving in one direction. You see that since array is endless in this, it is endless moving in that one direction. Okay, so it cannot be drawn on a paper. So that cannot be drawn on a paper. We just represent it by the figure on a paper. Okay, and the last point, the ray AB and BA do not mean the same thing. Okay, so these two ray AB and ray BA, these two ray are different. These two ray are different. So we cannot write AB equals to BA. So AB not equal BA. Okay, AB not equal BA. The ray AB and ray BA do not mean the same thing. Ray AB not equal ray BA, because in this you see that it is moving, ray AB is moving in B direction, whereas ray BA here it is moving in A direction. Okay, so this was all about the ray and properties of ray. We have talked about ray and properties of ray. So we repeat again. We just repeat again. Properties of ray. Ray has only one endpoint. These all are the properties. Okay, properties of a ray. Properties of a ray. A ray has only one endpoint, that is initial point, and a ray has no definite length or fixed length. Since a ray is endless in one direction, it cannot be drawn on a paper. And ray AB and BA do not mean the same thing. It means AB not equal BA. So these was all about ray and properties of ray. Thank you.